Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about my favorite topic. Today my favorite topic is real friend. I will say something about my real friend. Before that, I want to share how I began English learning journey in this institute. When I admitted in this institute, I was fully zero. I didn't have any English knowledge. Even I didn't have any vocabulary knowledge because I forgot everything. So just I admitted, but I had only a hope that I can, inshallah. So I admitted, and I was practicing. Also now I am practicing. 10 or 12 days after, at reception, I asked both sir. I asked, sir, will I be able to learn this language? Both sir laughed. I didn't understand why they laughed. Then I entered in my classroom and I hit my head. Why they laughing? Why? But they said, please don't be impatient. Just be patient, pay attention and keep practicing. You will see your own result yourself. So now I can say they were absolutely right.